children, good morning. Welcome to online classes of English. Okay, so last we have discussed about the chapter that is healing herbs. Okay, and we have also discussed the keywords of it and true or false also discussed. So I hope you all have written this in your fair notebook or in rough book. Okay, so we have completed the reading portion of this chapter also. So now moving towards just activity number 4 that we have done already. Activity number 5 we have done. 6 and 7 and 9 homework I have given as an homework. I hope that you all have done. Not this, before this many lectures I have given this as a homework. Okay, so this chapter is completed and I told you that at last I will give a question of this question, right? So today we'll start with our chapter number 9, unit 9, that is Mullah Nasruddin. Okay, so Mullah Nasruddin will starting. So today let's start with our activity number 1. I am 7-letter vegetable. My first 3 letter are a vehicle. Its first 3 letter will be there is vehicle. So see, 7-letter vehicle is in 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 7-letter vegetable is there. So first 3 letter is a vehicle. The next 3 letter are a type of luggage. So up to these 3 letter are a type of luggage. And my last letter changes every year. So this last letter is changed. It will change every year. Okay. So we have to find that vegetable. Which vegetable it is? So this bottle gourd will come? No, it will not come. Boat is there, yes, first. Then 3 letter is there, R of a luggage, CURD. And last letter of which? No, it is not possible. Then second is lady's finger. So first 3 letters are a lad. So this is a vehicle? No. So this is also not possible. Bottle gourd is possible, but last letter is not coming, na? Then third is brinjal. BRI. First 3 letters are vehicle? No. It is not a vehicle, so it will also not come. Then next is carrot. So car is there. So first letter can be car. Yes, it can be there. Then next 3 letters are luggage. Right? So ROT, rote will come as a luggage? No, it will not come. So carrot will also not come. So which will come? See here. Bottle gourd. It will not come. Lady's finger will not come. Brinjal will not come. Carrot will not come. Now we'll see tomato. It is there. It is coming. TOM, Tom. It is in vehicle? No, it is not in vehicle. So it will not come. Okay, children. So tomato is not coming. So put a cross mark over here. Now the turn is of cabbage. So let's see cabbage. So first 3 letters are coming cab. Yes, it is in vehicle. Then bag. Bag it is in luggage. Yes. Then age means your daily every year your birthday is coming. Then your age is changing. Suppose now you are 8 years old. Then you will become 9-year-old. 7. Then you will become 8. So this is the right answer. The what will come? Cabbage. Okay. So let's see what will come here. Cabbage. Now next word sentence is what 11-letter word Does everyone pronounce incorrectly? Which word is there that we all are speaking wrong only? We are not speaking right. And that is 11 word. 11 letter word is there. We all are speaking, but we are all are speaking wrong only. Which letter is there? Which word is there? So, in the question only the answer is there, that is incorrectly. If we will speak incorrectly, then it is wrong only, right? So, the answer will be coming incorrectly, that you have to write in this column. Okay. Now, everyone has me, but nobody can lose me. I am with all the person, but if the person wants to go away from me, he cannot go. It always follow me in light but disappear in dusk. Whenever the sunlight is there or light is there, always I am there with everyone. But when darkness happens, I am not there with anyone. Oh, I am disappearing. Who am I? So see here in the picture, what you can see? In light is there, shadow, right? So what will come? Shadow will come. Okay? So this you are writing. Now activity number 2, that is hilarious Mullah Nasruddin story. Okay, that will continue in our next lecture. Up to now we have discussed our activity number 1. Okay, just read it here. You don't have to write anything. Okay, just you have to remember it. Okay, thank you children. Have a wonderful day.